Good morning, children. I am Ravandan Sargi from Science Vedic School, Outlook, Canada. We are going to revise the lesson Bondi Right. We have completed it. Am not we? Yes, we have completed the lesson Bondi Right. Today we are going to revise the lesson. Out of the देखिए एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव क्वेश्चन देखिना आपको पढ़िबा ओके सीमाई बंदिरागी हियर द पोएट रत्ना बोस से सीमाई बंदिरागी go hop 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 go hop 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 you know hop slow down. His tail is off. Rabbit has a tail. Other animals have tails. Raju, you say one name of an animal who has tail. Yes, cow. Cow has a tail. Horse has a tail. Okay. A white curly mouse. How is the tail? The tail is white. The rabbit is white, so its tail is white. This is curly mouse. What do you mean by curly mouse? What is that? Curly mouse means curly hair tail. What is it? केशयुक्त लांज ठाकुर ठाकुर लांज से ठाकुर ठाकुर Dear Bandiragi, the boy says, Dear Bandiragi, peep from your hutch. What is hutch? Hutch means rabbit's box-like place where rabbit stays. Hutch. Peep to look secretly. Look secretly. Peep from your hutch to see this orange carrot. Orange carrot. What color is carrot? Yes, Raju. You say carrot is orange. Orange is carrot. Carrot kind of is ke like karta Yes, Sima, you say. Who likes carrot? The rabbit likes carrot. Good. I have special for you. The poet says. Rotana says, I have special the carrots for you. I have did it for you. For who? For who? Who is there? There is a rabbit. The poet says, the carrot has for the rabbit. He has rabbit for the rabbit. So the light. Now, let us see the comprehension questions. First question. What is the poem about? The poem that Kabar is. What is the poem about? Kabar, yes, you say Tulsi? Yes, rabbit. The poem is about rabbit. How is the second question? How is its tail? How is the rabbit's tail? Yes, you say how? Yes, its tail is curly mob and little. Curly mob and little tail. Not long tail. It is little tail. Good. Who is I in the poem? Who is I? Who is I? You see, the poet is God. Poet himself is the I. The poet. I. Move. Keep on to move. The poet says. Poet Ratna Bose is I in the poem. Good. Next question. Does the poet love the rabbit? Does the poet love rabbit? Yes. Because he has written this poem. He loves rabbit. He loves its color. He loves its fleshy body. Fleshy. तुम्हारा जो बॉडी फास्ट को जो बॉडी फ्लेसी हम समाज का poet the like person, one person. Then we can write, yes, the poet loves rabbit. What food does the poet have for the rabbit? What type of food? Rasgulla? Mango? No. What food is that? Yes, you say? Good. Carrot. The poet has carrot for rabbit. Okay. You will read the lesson. You must do the comprehension questions and its answers. You will send it to your teacher. He will rectify selection. If there are any mistake, okay. In next class, we will meet with another topic. Thank you.